Hola, buenas tardes. Chao.
Then ask about yourself. What motivates you?
They are my things why with me they family
What are your hobbies?
They are so like music like point
What are your future plans if you had before?
they are that I was the one of them was so clear my voice and deep and still. I can't hear the whole my voice. I think my love.
What are your future goals or what are your career goals?
I have my wall one of the deep and fun. I my house, my
Where do you see as major success in your life?
having the opportunity the student as being may see my friends, people they as about me.
Why do you leave your last job?
Some yes, car, they don't
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
University, student as my for let company. What was sharing and